Alright, YouTube, we're going to be doing a blower motor and blower motor resistor. And first things we have to do is unhook this little strap right here. Okay, you see that little tab is like on a little bungee cord. Then there's a tab in here and a tab right here that you got to loosen up, and it just comes out. Okay, so you can see this is your blower motor, this is your resistor back here, and there's a tab right here and a tab, I don't know if I can get you right here, that you have to undo. So let's get to rolling. There's a better shot of the resistor, and there's about 3 bolts that you have to catch under there, and I'm gonna unplug everything first. All right. Okay, this is the old resistor. This is the part number for the new one. Okay, once you've located the screws, this just works its way down. Be careful of your wires. I do have speaker wires, so I got to be careful dropping it down. Another thing to be careful is there's little parts where the plastic tabs for the wires go. That one and that one. Please push those out before you just yank it out or drop it down. Okay, and this is the number for the new one. As you can see, well, let me try to spin it for you. No noise except for me, touching it. So the new one, see that? Just amplify that, spin that at full speed, and it was just brrrr. So it's just time for it to come out of there, and put the new one on and try it out. One thing to make sure is you get the right blower motor and resistor, because there's a one for automatic, and that's the one with the you set it and it'll go to it, or just the turn knob like that. So out with the old, in with the new. Okay, now we have to get our plug in. Hold on. Make sure everything is snug. Let's put everything back together and check it. Okay, the pad, it just rests up in there, and you gotta push it back in those tabs to connect that back. Okay, I have the AC going, but what I didn't know is you have to adjust the screws. It's plastic, you don't have to tighten it all the way, because you're gonna have it off level and you're gonna hear a little noise. I have most of the noise out. It'll do for now. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments, but we got it flowing, and it'll just have to do for now. Feels good, it's flowing. I don't have to do without out air AC tomorrow, but I do have to make some adjustments because I can still hear it a little bit. I mean, once I put my music on, you can't hear it, but I hear it, so I know there still needs to be adjustments. But we got it flowing for now. Hopefully it just holds out till I can get back under there probably tomorrow, straighten it out, a little fine tune it. What I'm saying is you got the 3 screws. You got to kind of play with it a little bit, adjust it to get it to stop rattling. And then once you get it, you won't hear any noise. But if it's off balance, you will hear some noise. All right, that's it for this one.